Good morning, class. Today is Wednesday, the 12th of May, and today we have a very busy day ahead with two assessments. Most of us will have two assessments today. Okay, the first lesson today is, oh yeah, you will have to follow your own timetables, and the second lesson will be maths assessment. Okay, guys, in the maths assessment, we will start. Okay, it says as per timetable 10:40, so it should last from 10:40 to 11:40. However, I would like you to be online 10:35, and the actual assignment will be posted in the group at 10:35. Okay. I will let you know in case you need to submit a picture of any of the questions. I'll let you know directly in the exam. Please be on time for your exam. Thank you. All right, then the third lesson is an English lesson. So this lesson will be okay, it was supposed to be a workbook practice lesson, but I am thinking of making it a writing lesson. So yeah, I think this will be a writing lesson. Again, we are focusing on the story elements. All right. And your fourth lesson will be, guys, everyone who takes UAE Social Studies B, everyone, it doesn't matter if you take it with Mr. Willem, Mr. Sanjay, doesn't matter. All of you who take UAE Social Studies B will have an assessment with me at 12:20. Please, the exam will be posted at 12:15. So please try to be online for 12:15. Okay, we will take a short time. It's not a long exam. And those who don't have UAE Social Studies B in this period, especially Celine, Kusai, and all the Arab students, you can just do your ICT work in this period. And then in the fifth period, please follow your own timetables. Those who have class with me, usually UAE Social Studies B, this is the class where you will do your ICT work, okay? All right, so that's the schedule for today. Regarding the riddle that I gave you, basically, there's a one-story house in which everything is yellow, yellow walls, yellow doors, yellow furniture. What color are the stairs? The answer was there aren't any stairs because it's a one. Sorry, that was my phone. It's a one-story house, so that means there are actually no stairs in them. So in the house. So the answer was there are no stairs. Some of you answered yellow, which is fine because this is a confusing riddle. So thank you so much for giving it a thought and answering. Yeah, whoever answered, most of the answers were there's no staircase because it's a one-story house. So well done, everyone. Right, and your riddle for today is what gets wet while drying? Once again, what gets wet while drying? All right, please leave your answers in the comments below this post. And today, well, for the past couple of days, I've been reading out interesting facts about space, but I actually read out information on all of the planets. So I actually decided to tell you some fun facts about food this time. All right. So just sit back and listen. Guys, before I start the riddle, today we are meeting at 1:30. Okay. All right. So let's listen to this. Did you know that McDonald's fast food chains employ over 1.5 million people around the world? Okay. You probably knew this. Different parts of the world have their own local cuisine. Okay, that means they have their own kind. Every country or every region in the world would have their own kind of food. The diets and general food habits of various cultures depend on social, religious, economic, and safety factors, as well as availability of different foods. Examples of food and cuisine that are popular or famous in certain areas of the world include hummus in the Middle East. You know that hummus, everyone knows hummus, and it's a popular dish in the Middle East. Apple pie in the USA, raw fish in Japan, cheese in France, roast meat and vegetables in England, curry in India, and tortillas in Mexico. All right, there are around 2,000 different plant types that humans use to cultivate food. Examples of popular vegetables include lettuce, carrot, cauliflower, broccoli, spinach, potatoes, and onions, and asparagus. The sweet potato, and I hope all of you know it, the sweet potato is a root vegetable and is not closely related to the potato. Okay, that is interesting because we would think that it's closely related to potatoes. Cutting onions releases a gas which causes a stinging sensation when it comes into contact with your eyes. Your body produces tears to dilute the irritant and remove it from your eyes. Okay, so this is basically why onions make us cry. All right, that's it for interesting facts. Tomorrow I will read out more interesting facts um, about foods. And I would like to wish you good luck today in the assessments. Please make sure that you only submit it once. Please, guys, make sure your cameras are on and I'm sorry, make sure that you are completing it alone. I will be able to spot it on the camera if you are being helped, okay? And that is not acceptable. This is individual work, okay? And having help by someone telling you the answers, that's a bit of cheating. Okay, good. So I will try to, we were working with a new platform yesterday during the meeting. It's called Nearpod. So I will try to maybe create like a small activity for you. It will be more interesting, not just questions. So hopefully, yeah, you will enjoy that. Okay. See you all in the assessments and at 1:30 for the meeting. Have a great day.